Recording in progress.
Hey guys, this is Mr. D of DSS Review Center. Today I'll be sharing with you some lessons on functions, particularly operations on functions and compositions of functions. But for now, please subscribe to this channel so that you will always be updated with the videos that I will be uploading. Okay, so we have here operations on functions and compositions of functions. Let's start with operations on functions. When you are learning operations on functions, it is important for you to remember the basic properties. So let's take a look at this. If f of x equals a and g of x equals b, then f f plus g of x is equal to a plus b. And then f of g of x is a minus b, while fg of x is ab, and f over g of x is a over g. As simple as we are actually performing operations on their values, on the functions itself. Okay, so let's have an example. Let us say if f of x equals 3x minus 1 and g of x equals x squared plus 2x minus 3, let us find number 1, f plus g of x, letter B, f of minus g of x, letter C, f g of x, and letter D, f over g of x. Okay, so let's start with letter A. So when you have f plus g of x, all you have to do is add the value of f of x, which is 3x minus 1, and the value of g of x, which is x squared plus 2x minus 3. So with that, definitely, we just simply combine similar terms. So in that case, x squared, since there is no square here, we just bring it down. And then after that, we combine similar terms. 3x and 2x are similar terms. But what is 3x plus 2x? Correct. That is 5x. While negative 1 and negative 3, the constant numbers, are also similar, then negative 1 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 4. Therefore, f plus g of x is equal to x squared plus 5x minus 4. Okay? So, is that clear? I hope that is clear. Let's proceed to example number 2. This time, the operation is subtraction, but the values are the same, 3x minus 1 and x squared plus 2x minus 3. In that case, if it is subtraction, okay, it is easier to simplify or to combine terms when you change the subtrahend, the sign of the subtrahends. What does it mean? From subtraction, we will turn it into addition, and then all signs of the expressions here will be changed. For example, so x squared, this is positive. We will change that into negative. Positive 2x will change into negative 2x, and negative 3 will change into positive 3. Okay? And then again, we bring it down. So x squared, no other squared here, so just bring it down. But this time, since the sign has been changed, then it will be negative x squared. And then 3x, and this time is negative 2x. So 3x minus 2x will be x, and then negative 1 plus positive 3 will be positive 2. Okay? Therefore, f minus g of x is negative x squared plus x plus 2. Okay, so let's proceed to our third examples. Okay, third example will be here. This is the product. So fg of x, medyo nag-advance ang aking PowerPoint. Ano? So anyway, so we just multiply 3x minus 1 and x squared plus 2x minus 3. So we multiply it one by one through distributive property. 3x times x squared is 3x cubed. And then 3x and 2x. When we multiply, that is 6x squared. And 3x minus 3 is actually negative 9. And then when you are done multiplying the first term, next is the second term, which is negative 1. In that case, again, distribute. Okay? So negative 1 times x squared is negative x squared. Negative 1 and 2x is negative 2x. And negative 1 times negative 3 is positive 3. So I intended to align it this way so that we can easily simplify. So here, 3x cubed, wala namang 3x cubed sa baba, then just write it as it is. But this time, 6x squared and negative x squared, you simply subtract. They are unlike signs, so 5x squared. And then negative 9x and negative 2x is 11x, and then positive 3. Therefore, fg of x is 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus 11x plus 3. Okay? For letter D, f over g, it's a division. So we are asked to divide 3x minus 1 and x squared plus 2x minus 3. As you see, there is no common factor. So we can simply write our answers this way. But note that the denominator can still be factored out. However, when you factor it out with x plus 3 and x minus 1, still no common factor with the numerator. In that case, you have to, or you may simply consider this as your final answer. Okay, so let's proceed to compositions of functions. Okay, so this definitely operations and functions and compositions or functions are very much related with one another. Okay, so let's have an example here. Given f of x is 4x minus 4 and g of x is x squared minus 4, then find f of g of x, g of f of x, and g of f of 2. So we will be answering these three questions. All right, let's start with f of g of x. Note, if f of g, if this is x, no specific value, okay, we write first the value of f, whichever is written here in the given first. So in that case, f is written first, so we write the function of f, which is 4x minus 4. And then we replace x by the value of g. Okay, we replace x by the value of g. In that case, it will be 4 times x squared minus 4 minus 4, retaining the other given. So we simply replace x by the value of g. Then we simplify. That will be 4x squared minus 16 minus 4, or f of g of x is 4x squared minus 20. Okay, let's have another example, letter B. G of f, in this case, the function of g is written first. Then we write the function of g, which is x squared minus 4. And then similarly, we replace x by the value of f, which is 4x minus 4. In that case, you will have 4x minus 4 squared minus 4. And we know this is equivalent to 4x minus 4 and 4x minus 4. So if we do the FOIL method, then we'll have 16x squared minus 16x, okay, minus 16 plus 16 is equal to or minus 4. So combining similar terms, we have g of f of x is 16x squared. 16 and 16 is negative 32. 16 minus 4 is 12. Okay? And lastly, yeah. So, okay. So, if we are asked to find g of f of 2, this time, there is already a specific value. Okay? In that case, we will write first whichever function is closer to the value. In that case, it's f. Therefore, we will write first the function of f. Okay, don't be confused, huh? When this is x, we write first which function is written first. But when there is already a specific value, we write first the function that is closer, okay, to the value. In that case, it's 4x minus 4. And then we replace x by the given, which is 2. So 4 times 2 minus 4 is 8 minus 4, or correct, it's 4. But you're not yet done. Next is write the function of g, which is x squared minus 4, and then replace x by, not by 2, but the computed value, so which is 4. So you replace x by 4, that will be 4 squared minus 4 is 16 minus 4, which is 12. Therefore, g of f of 2 is 12. Okay, so I hope you like you get this video. Okay, so in our next video, I'll be uploading other lessons related to grade 11 curriculum. So for you to be updated, always subscribe and click the notification button so that you will always be updated with the videos. Okay, so thank you and good day.